dawn of time, a ring has symbolized the union of one person to another. For over 120 years, the Olympic rings have symbolized mankind's desire to unite in the platform of both sport and performance. In the beginning, the Games started with athletes representing only 14 countries. Flash forward to 2018 Winter Olympics, there are over 50,000 athletes from over 100 different countries. The Olympics have become a fixture in many homes, communities, and countries. NBC stated that after the 2016 Summer Olympics, there were over 198 million people who viewed on TV overall. Now, as the Games are set to commence in under a week, and the world prepares for another 17 days of excitement, to understand more about them will allow for a better appreciation of the Games and their meaning. So, to begin, the modern Olympic Games were first held in 1896. The ancient Games, however, were said to date back to 1776 BC in Olympia, Greece. There was one event, which was the foot race. Slowly there became more events like chariot racing, and it was all performed by men from Greek city-states and colonies. The Olympics became customary over time, and the first one in 1896 was only with male athletes, just like the ancient Games were. 241 male athletes participated in 43 events. 4 years later, when the Games were held again, the events pretty much doubled, and the participants now included women as well as men, and it almost quadrupled in size. The frequency of the Games is they occur every 4 years. However, they alternate every 2 years, the Winter Games and the Summer Games. So we are looking forward to seeing the new Summer Games. But before we get to more about the countries and the sports, Olivia, could you light the torch and get us started with a little background on the torch, the flame, and the significance of this tradition?